Whoo, I've got a little squad going up to Cars and Coffee, hitting the rock store. Should be a fun morning. Pescata's got the put a 190, the new Pirelli Diablo Corsa 3s or Diablo Rosso 3s, whatever they are. He's happy with them so far. Got about 100 miles on them, I guess. They look good, man. Like, those tires are kind of fucking cool. And I gotta throw my leg over one of these GS 1200s and do a little review. Look how comfortable that looks. We got the bag on the back. Like, all right, so it's not the coolest looking bike, but hyper functional, and I kind of like that. On another note, so somebody left a comment saying, hey, if you could use a cut up like soda can, use the metal or the aluminum to make a little spacer for your mirrors, because I was using like Teflon tape or Gorilla tape. And I'll tell you what, all right, so it's not really, you should probably just get the adapters from Rizoma, but in the meantime, they seems to be working pretty damn well. There he is. Woo! Yep. Okay, with that little Gixxer 1000. Sounds real good. Yeah. Damn, it is really a beautiful day out right now. It's probably like, I don't know, 75 degrees, maybe closer to 80. Nice breeze coming off the water. Woo! Okay. Beautiful day to be riding. And here we are, Cars and Coffee. Oh, shit. Look at that. What is that? Oh, the old Dino. Damn. Couple McLarens, no big deal. Ferrari. This is a hot piece. Yeah. Coming through, coming through. Pulling out a couple cool pieces. And I guess we're gonna head up to Neptune's Net. Little cruise up PCH. I mean, it's so beautiful out. Gonna miss the canyon roads, but it's okay. Damn, these LC500s are looking good. Yeah. Sexy Lexus. It's a Sexus. Yeah, that Ducati sounds good. Little monster. Here we are. Oh, it's kind of busy. Got some bikes out here. Oh shoot, get some food here. have some cool bikes out here. A lot of Harleys, handful just left. Got these little street bike squad that pulled up. Cool bikes. Got a healthy, greasy tuna melt and some fries. And the food up here is actually pretty damn good. Not health food, you know, so if you're like vegan or something like that, chill. But definitely a good time, especially if you come up here like in the spring or maybe when it's not super hot. Some funny characters up here for sure. Good folks though. And this Triumph, Adam's Triumph, really does look pretty damn good. He's put a lot of time and effort into this piece. I like it. Oh, I'm gonna hit this little canyon road. Ooh, a little dirty road. I better be extra cautious up here. I hope that you're doing well. Stay safe, keep the rubber side on the road, and I'll see you next time.